So we're having a Smalloween adoption event here at the Fairfax County Animal Shelter, and it is for all small animals, so rabbits, guinea pigs, mice, rats, birds, chinchillas, anything else we get in. And the event will be from October 23rd until October 24th. The hours are 12 to 4, and all adoption fees are half off. So right now at our shelter, we are overflowing with especially small animals. The room I'm standing in right now is, it's meant to be a meeting room. But we have, I believe, 20 plus cages in here with guinea pigs, rabbits, and mice. And then we have the small animal room, which is also full of those same types of animals. So before someone comes and adopts, they should think about what type of animal they want to get. If they want to get a rabbit or a guinea pig or a mouse, etc. They should go ahead and purchase a nice big cage for those animals. You can look online on Google and see what kind of supplies you might need, but Friends of the Fairfax County Animal Shelter has also sponsored goodie bags for the first 10 adopters of a rabbit, first 10 of a guinea pig or mice also. And it's no appointment necessary, so people can just come right in, meet the animals, fall in love, and adopt.